In this example, let me show you how to balance a redox reaction in an acidic solution. Here's our example. We have silver reacting with nitrate to produce silver ion, NO gas, and H2O. First, we want to break this down into two half reactions. Let's focus on silver. It looks like silver is going to Ag+. Let's look at the nitrogen component. It looks like NO3- is going to NO. So these are the two halves we want to work on. Step 2 is to balance the element. Don't worry about hydrogen or oxygen. Worry about silver and nitrogen here. Silver is already balanced, so we're good to go. Nitrogen is already balanced, so basically you can skip step 2 here. Step 3 is to balance oxygen with water. Obviously, silver reaction has no oxygen, so we don't need to worry about that. Skip that step. Now here we need to worry about oxygen. We have 3 oxygens on the left. We have 1 oxygen on the right, so we need to add 2 waters. 2 waters is going to have 2 more oxygens, so now we have 3 O's on each side. Step 4 is to balance the H with H+, so there's no hydrogen to worry about over on the silver reaction. But now with the nitrate going NO, we have 4 H's on the right, okay, from 2 waters. So that means we need 4 H pluses on the left. So now we have 4 hydrogens on each side. Step 5 is to balance the total charge with electrons. So we need to add electrons to the more positive side. So we want to add 1 electron to the Ag+. So that gives us this equation here. For the equation on the right, we've got, let me break it down. So the 4H+ term has a total charge of +4. The NO3- has a total charge of -1. So on the left-hand side, we have +3 charge. On the right-hand side, we have a 0 charge. So we're going to add 3 electrons to the more positive side. 3 electrons is -3. The +3 is the charge of all those ions. So the total comes out to 0 charge on each side of the equation. So we have this half reaction now. Step 6 is to make the electrons equal. So you'll notice that the oxidation process produces 1 electron, and the reduction process consumes 3 electrons. We want these electrons to be equal. So we need to multiply all the coefficients by 3 on the left. So we have 3 silver going to 3 silver ions, and 3 electrons are being produced. Now we can take these two half reactions. They're ready to be added together. Take all the left-hand side stuff and put them all on the left-hand side of one equation. Use the reaction arrow, and then put all the right-hand stuff on the right side of the reaction arrow. Okay, now we're ready to look for terms that might appear on each side. The electrons can now be canceled, and that gives us this net reaction. Okay, so that's how you balance the redox reaction that we started with. Here's an overview of the process if you want to take a look at that.